Nothing beats the way the front of the Bentley, how do you say the name of it? The Bentley Bentayga looks. I just love this wide, aggressive front end. But what's more important is protecting that front end. That's why this customer came to us for a full paint protection wrap on this beautiful, bad, king of the mom SUVs. This is king of the dad SUVs. Hey guys, it's Wednesday, so let's see what's going on in the shop today. As you heard me explain in the Max, this Bentayga is getting a full paint protection film wrap. Everything that you see that's painted is going to be protected with Expel's paint protection film, so he's not going to have to worry about scratches, rock damages, anything like that while he drives this bad boy down the road. Then right beside it is a good friend of ours, John's C8 Z06. We did a full wrap on this one as well, along with a ceramic 8-year ceramic coating protection for this. We took the wheels off, did the inside barrel of the wheels, the brakes, glass, plastics, and all the painted surface. So everything's protected, and he'll have no problem after he rips it down on the track to get those bug guts off the front. Over here, Max and Aaron are about to throw the hood on the front of this Volkswagen Atlas. I love the Volkswagen Atlases. My wife has one. They're one of my favorite SUVs. This one got a full front, so it's the full front bumper, both fenders, the full hood, and both mirrors. That's going to protect all the main damage areas from daily driving. Beside it over here is JM's Cadillac. JM works our front desk. He is doing a chrome delete, but he so wanted to be on What's in the Shop Wednesday that we had him pull it in here so his car can make the debut. Over in the wash bay, we have this Lotus. This is a good customer of ours, Ben. He came in, we did a track package on this a couple years ago with some vinyl accents, and he was in an accident where they had to redo the back bumper. So we're just redoing the PPF on the back bumper and those vinyl pieces, so he's good to go. And behind John is this BMW 3 Series. Caleb's working on the paint right now, polishing it before he ceramic coats it. We did a paint protection film on the front bumper and the hood, and then Caleb's gonna wrap it up with an 8-year premium ceramic coating. Sitting over here is one of the baddest trikes I've ever seen. Now, I'm not a big Harley guy, but this one is beautiful. This guy had this custom made. All the paint is custom orange. If you get closer to it, you can see how the Harley symbols are like ghosted into the orange a little bit. After the customer spent so much money on the custom paint job for this, he wanted to definitely protect it. So we put paint protection film on the front fender, the whole front fairing, and then both of these fenders here where it's going to be kicking up rocks when he goes down the road. So you shouldn't have to worry about any kind of the paint getting damaged, and it could be a smooth ride. We got old T over here tasting the porridge to make sure it's not a little too hot and not a little too cold. It's a little rainy today, so we're gonna do this from the tint bay. The only thing we have out here is a Hellcat for our customer, Rick. He had some stuff going on in the film on the passenger side, so we just pulled that off and put a new piece on for him. That way it just looks brand new for him and everything looks good. And then up front, the same thing. We have a GT500. We did the stealth wrap on it about a year ago, and the customer had some stuff going on in the quarter panel, so we actually stripped that whole piece off for him and redid that too, and that's just waiting to go back to the customer. Let's check out Luke and see what he's got going on at Gibsonia.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop.
Behind the ropes, we have a 392 Wrangler. This one is in for a full paint correction and ceramic coating. We also tinted the 2 front windows and the windshield visor in our Prime XR window tint. This Tesla Model X is in for the works. As you can see, this is a full stealth wrap, protected in our 8mm stealth paint protection film. We also coated the entire vehicle and tinted the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. In the coating bay, we have Mark doing his thing on this Ram. This one is in for a much needed full paint correction. Once the paint is polished, we're going to be coating the vehicle in our 4-year coating. In the tint bay, we have Ian and Cole working on this 2024 Lexus RC. This is in for 15% window tint on all the side windows and the back window. Another full wrap this week is this 2019 Ford Mustang. This one, as you can see, is also stealth. We did a full satin finish wrap on this vehicle, and it's next up for ceramic coating. We also tinted the side windows in our Prime XR window tint.
That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
How's it going, guys? Today we're back at the Glendale School District installing exterior perforated graphics on the outside of the entranceways to provide a little bit of extra privacy on top of the clear security film that's behind them. The inside is getting a caulking attachment system as well to seal up the windows to make sure that someone would not be able to break through it easily, as are the rest of the ground level windows in the building. And you can still see through with the graphics on the outside as well. That's all we have going on for you guys this week. We'll see you next time.
That finishes off this episode. I'll see you guys next week. Please like, subscribe, and tune in.